Hi, it's Dan and Michelle with Honeymoon Always, and today we are at Sandals Royal Curaçao. Now, we've been to all 17 Sandals resorts, and today we are returning to Sandals Royal Curaçao to see what's new, what's updated. We're going to tell you everything we think you need to know to find out if this is the right resort for you. And if it is, we hope you use our link to book. That supports our work and tells resorts we helped you. We appreciate that so much. But if you want free, customized support finding the right destination, we're travel agents. We'd love to work with you for free. Send us an email to info@honeymoonalways.com. Sandals Royal Curaçao is an adult-only, all-inclusive resort with a glamorous, fresh vibe. It has 8 restaurants, 3 food trucks, and 13 bars, including a swim-up bar. This resort is known for its iconic double-decker infinity pool overlooking the ocean, and included activities like beach volleyball, pool volleyball, scuba diving, and snorkeling. Now let's talk about the swimming pools here. They are gorgeous. There's one main double-decker infinity pool that's in the main area of the resort. It overlooks the ocean and it's stunning. It's one of my favorite places to be.
That's also where a lot of the activity is going to go on during the day, like games and music, DJ, things like that. And then you have a quieter pool right off to the side. So it's not extremely quiet because you do hear the activities, but it's great if you just don't want it to be as loud, but you can still participate, move over there if you'd like. And that's where you have your pool volleyball, which is, very important. Now, if you want a really quiet pool, that is where we're at right now. It's off to the side of the resort. And even though it's kind of far away from the main area of the resort, you do get a cooler here with all the drinks you need, and the food trucks are just down the way, so you can go grab some lunch, come back, and enjoy your day. Now, we love the ocean views that you get from the resort and the beautiful beach, but the most beautiful part of the beach is actually not swimmable. So it's great for the views, it's great for hearing the ocean waves crashing, but you can't swim there. So if you're looking for the perfect Caribbean beach where you can swim for hours, this might not be the right resort for you, and we can help you find one that is, because the swimmable area of the beach here is actually on our river inlet. So there's a dock that separates it from the rest of the inlet, and that's where everyone's gonna be hanging out. A lot of people do enjoy that section of the beach, but it is not kind of the typical postcard Caribbean beach situation that you might be expecting from a Sandals resort. And there are plenty of other options to choose from if that is your priority. There are several water sports included in your stay, and most of them happen over here in this calm area. So you can do kayaking, stand-up paddle boarding, there's a water bike, so lots of activities you can do here, and you can also snorkel here as well. Just go to the water sports area if you don't have your own snorkel. They'll lend you one to look around in this area. Now, they also do daily snorkeling trips as well that are included. So you just go to the water sports area, sign up for a snorkeling time, and they'll take you out a bit further. Additionally, if you have a club room or a butler room, check to see if they have exclusive excursions for you. The snorkeling at Sandals Royal Curaçao is Honeymoon Always approved. You don't have to go on a snorkeling trip to see really cool fish, because along the dock there are these poles that go all the way into the ground, and there's coral growing on them. So you get a variety of fish right from the dock. So while this may not be the typical Caribbean beach that you might think of for a Sandals resort, I think the snorkeling makes up for it if snorkeling is important to you. When it comes to saving a chair at Sandals, sometimes there's some concern about needing to wake up early or getting a butler in order to do it. Now, we are at about 85% capacity here, and at 9:30 in the morning, there's still plenty of chairs available around the main pool, around all the other pools, along the beach. There are plenty of chairs available. Now, last time we were here, that was actually an issue and a complaint. So I looked on Google Maps, and you could clearly see there are way more chairs with umbrellas to solve that problem.
Now, this resort is considered a Sandals 2.0 resort. And what that means is it's the next generation of Sandals resorts. They have elevated food, service, decor, and everything. Now, where this becomes extra important for us specifically is in the food. Now, since it's opened, it has had really, really good elevated cuisine. They have innovative boutique style restaurants that we really like. But since we've been here last, they've elevated the menus even more. And we had a long conversation with the executive chef about really making a focus on local cuisine. So this time around, we've enjoyed the food so much, it's really actually tossed this resort up to maybe one of our top 3 resorts overall. Now, there are restaurants that are right on the water for a beautiful sunset or sunrise view. You have the iconic Butch's Steakhouse, which is a staple for Sandals, but our personal favorite is Zuka. It's a Latin fusion restaurant. They've recently elevated their menus, and it's got a really cool, funky, Instagrammy vibe that we really enjoyed. We're actually going back for round 2. The food trucks are a really cool feature of this resort, great for a quick lunch spot with a lot of great options. My personal favorite are the bao buns. Curaçao is a Dutch island, which makes this Sandals resort different than all 16 other Sandals resorts. It has a really unique kind of Euro vibe, so if you're looking to get off resort and experience more of the island, it's going to be a really interesting experience. If you're staying on resort in certain rooms for longer than 7 days, they do have this dine around option where you can actually go into the city and experience some of the local restaurants, which we've done and we really loved. But you can also mirror this experience as an excursion. As far as other excursions, we've done a sailing tour that took us to a little marina area where the snorkeling was really good. You can do a specific snorkeling tour to see some sea turtles. You can do an ATV ride and explore the island, and plenty of other options if you want to talk to island routes. The resort has also added an enterprise desk to help you rent a car to help you get off resort. This is unique to this resort. We've not seen this before. It shows that they really want you to go and experience the culture of Curaçao.
When it comes to choosing a room, there are a couple things to keep in mind. Number one is location, because there are a variety of rooms that are pretty similar, but the location is what is different. So you might get a beachfront view, an ocean view. You might be closer to the lobby where you might hear the bass from the nighttime entertainment well into the evening. We've also talked to guests who are on the very far end of the resort and they don't prefer that long walk, even though they get the seclusion that they might be looking for. And there are several room categories where they have several locations for that same room category. So if you need help with either picking the perfect room for you or requesting a certain area of the resort for your room category, you can send us an email to info@honeymoonalways.com and we'll be happy to help you out.
Now this is a pretty spread out resort, and to help you navigate, they've offered these cute bikes here. This gives it a little bit more of a European vibe, which we think is really fun. And if your room is more centrally located, you may not use them quite as much, but we find that when we're on one of the other sides of the resort, it can be a really nice way to get from one end to the other.
This resort is really great if you're looking for more of a wellness focus. They have things on the menu that cater towards that, like we've been getting smoothies every morning, and then there are more activities. So they have Pilates and yoga during the week. They also have a kickboxing class that is once a week, and I've never seen that at any other Sandals resort. They have pickleball courts, which have been recently done, and the tennis courts were redone. And it's the most elevated pickleball situation of any Sandals resorts. They have classes, they have organized play, and you can play the managers as well on Thursdays. And they have a nice gym with updated equipment. So if any of those things are important to you, this is a great place to come to.
Now, the last time we were here, this resort was bumping. There was quite the party going on. And if I'm being honest, it was a little loud for Dan and me. We prefer a little bit more of a chill vibe, opportunities for activity and partying, and of course, Dan loves his pool volleyball, but a little bit of opportunities for quiet and romance as well. And I'm very happy to say that as of right now, with change of management and things over time, this has become a little bit more chill of a resort. So there's still quite a lot of things going on and a really great entertainment team, but it has calmed down a little bit. So I think it's a really good mix. Now, if you are looking for a party, there are a few other resorts we would definitely recommend, so let us know.
We've also noticed that this is a great place if you're coming as a group. We've seen multiple destination weddings, friend groups, couple groups, and because it's so large and spread out and there's a little bit for everything, it makes it great for groups. And I think the elevated food, the wellness focus, all of that comes together to make a really great option. And having groups doesn't really take away from it being a romantic vibe otherwise, because it's so spread out, and I don't find it disruptive to have all these groups here.
Now, since we were here last, there have been about 3 very distinct updates. Number 1 is the pickleball courts. Number 2 are the Rondeval suites. And number 3 are some minor updates to the cuisine to really elevate it to more of that local style. But otherwise, we won't be seeing more updates coming anytime soon, because this is a Sandals 2.0 resort. It is essentially the prototype for all of the next generation of Sandals resorts. We do think eventually they will be putting in more rooms to expand the resort, and eventually even maybe a rum club, but that would be a ways off.
If you have been watching any of our content, you might have seen that we like to rank the resorts each year to see which ones are the best based on our personal preferences and what we hear from our clients. And since we had such a great time here, we're gonna have to rework it, so it will definitely be going up in the listings. So we'll be putting that video out here in a couple of months, probably once we've revisited a few of the other resorts.
So this has been everything we think you need to know about Sandals Royal Curaçao. If this is the right resort for you and you're ready to book, please use our link below. That supports our work and tells the resorts we helped you. However, if you'd like free, customized support finding the right resort for you, we are travel agents and we'd love to help you for free. Just send us an email to info@honeymoonalways.com. See you at the next stop.